Everyone knows luxury sedans lose their shine and their value once the warranty runs out. But what if the real story is hiding in plain sight? Across the industry, models like the Acura RLX and Volvo S90 are defying the stereotype, quietly clocking over 100,000 miles with fewer repairs than their European rivals and maintenance costs that shatter expectations. In this countdown of the 10 best and most reliable luxury sedans worth owning, after warranty, we will reveal insider stats, owner secrets, and a few game-changing names that even car enthusiasts overlook. Miss this, and you might just overspend by thousands on your next set of keys. Which hidden gem takes the crown? Let's get into the numbers and find out. Number 10. The underrated gem, Acura RLX. Now you might be thinking, Acura? Isn't that just Honda in a suit? But hear me out. The RLX packs a 310 horsepower V6 under the hood, launching from 0 to 60 in just 5.8 seconds, all while cocooning you in tech-laden comfort for a starting price of $54,200. Sure, it flies under the radar, but that's exactly what makes it a smart pick for the long haul. According to RepairPal, annual maintenance for the RLX averages just $471, a figure that shames most European rivals. Owners report years of hassle-free cruising, with forums full of drivers clocking well past 100,000 miles before anything major pops up. The RLX may not shout for attention, but it quietly delivers reliability and value you'd expect from the Honda family. It's a car you can buy with your head and your heart. Number 9. The Swedish Sentinel, Volvo S90. Now you might be thinking, a Volvo on a list of luxury reliability. But hear me out. The S90 proves that Scandinavian design is not just about good looks. It is about smart engineering that lasts. Step inside, and you will find a spacious cabin with premium materials, intuitive pilot assist 2.0 technology, and a minimalist style that feels timeless, not trendy. Priced from $49,000, the S90 offers features on par with German rivals, but with a maintenance cost that averages just $522 a year, according to RepairPal. Consumer Reports predicts average reliability for the S90, and What Cars United Kingdom survey gave it an 86% rating for trouble-free ownership. Many owners report these cars pushing 200,000 miles with regular care. For those who want elegance and peace of mind after the warranty, Volvo's flagship delivers. It is proof that true luxury is as much about longevity as it is about leather and chrome. At number 8, meet the value disruptor, the Genesis G80. Now you might be thinking, Genesis? Can a newcomer really hang with the established luxury heavyweights? But hear me out. The G80 offers a starting price around $48,000 and an industry-best 5-year, 60,000-mile warranty. Comfort for your peace of mind. Yet it is what happens after the warranty that turns heads among savvy buyers. According to Edmunds, the G80's average repair cost in year 6 is just $766, hundreds less than what you would pay for a BMW 5 Series or a Mercedes S-Class. Owners praise its trouble-free ownership, and annual maintenance runs about $524, putting it squarely in the luxury without the headaches category. For those in the know, the G80 delivers sophistication and real-world savings long after the paperwork is signed. It is proof that true value can look and feel like a flagship. Stepping into the world of high-tech luxury, the next 2 picks prove you do not have to sacrifice dependability for advanced features. Now you might be thinking, all that technology must mean more headaches down the road. But hear me out. The Audi A6 is a standout among German sedans for those who crave innovation. Think virtual cockpit, adaptive cruise, and a whisper-quiet interior. Priced from $59,000, it is no surprise the A6 draws attention, but the real story lies in its resilience. With a solid 8.2 out of 10 reliability score from independent indexes, the A6 outperforms most of its European peers in long-term dependability. Owners routinely report minimal issues, even after the 100,000-mile mark, and RepairPal estimates annual maintenance at a manageable cost compared to rivals. Then there is the Lexus ES. If you are looking for tech with a side of bulletproof reliability, this Japanese favorite delivers. J.D. Power rates it an impressive 87 out of 100, while RepairPal lists typical annual maintenance at just $468. ES owners often breeze past 200,000 miles with little more than routine service. Both sedans offer sophisticated tech without locking you into sky-high repair bills. In the end, these picks show you can have cutting-edge luxury and real peace of mind, long after the warranty is just a memory. Cruising into the number 5 spot is the BMW 5 Series, a luxury sedan that proves you do not have to sacrifice excitement for dependability. Now you might be thinking, BMWs are fun, but aren't they a headache once the free service runs out? But hear me out. The latest 5 Series does not just deliver agile handling and smooth power from its turbocharged engines. It backs it up with a Consumer Reports ranking that places BMW among the top 5 premium brands for reliability. That means you get a car built for the driving enthusiast, but with fewer surprises waiting in the service bay. Maintenance costs are reasonable for the segment, and strong resale value keeps long-term expenses in check. Just missing the podium, the Mercedes-Benz E-Class lands at number 4. For decades, the E-Class has set the standard for all-around excellence. Plush ride, refined interior, and a reputation for going the distance. Sure, its reliability is rated about average by most sources, and typical annual maintenance hovers around $1,200. But here is where the E-Class earns its stripes. Owners regularly report 6-figure mileage without major headaches, provided you stick to the recommended service schedule. And with one of the broadest dealer networks in the world, parts and expertise are always within reach. It is a car that blends classic comfort with everyday peace of mind, one you can buy with your head and your heart. Number 3. The Electric Revolution, Tesla Model S. Now you might be thinking, a Tesla on a reliability countdown. Aren't electric cars expensive to fix once they are out of warranty? But hear me out. The Model S flips the script on long-term costs thanks to its electric powertrain and streamlined design. There is no engine, no oil changes, and barely any routine service. According to Car Edge, the average Model S owner spends just $3,972 on maintenance and repairs over 10 years. That is not just low for a luxury sedan. It is the lowest in the segment by a huge margin. And with only a 13.89% chance of a major repair in the first decade, this is one luxury car that actually makes your bank account breathe easy. Over-the-air updates keep features fresh, while the battery warranty covers up to 150,000 miles. It is the sleeper pick that proves luxury does not need to come with unpredictable bills or outdated tech. Number 2. The certified sleeper, Acura TLX. Now you might be thinking, can an Acura really run with the big names in long-term luxury? But hear me out. The TLX has quietly built a following among smart buyers who want premium features and sharp handling, but without the repair bills that often haunt this segment. Its turbocharged 2.0-liter engine delivers responsive power, while the cabin is loaded with modern tech that holds up well over the years. Here is where the TLX sets itself apart. RepairPal ranks it first among luxury mid-size sedans for reliability, and the average annual repair cost comes in at just $440, a figure that embarrasses some rivals. Owners report few surprises well beyond 100,000 miles, and the lower frequency of major issues means more time on the road, less time in the shop. If you want a luxury sedan that does not punish your wallet after the warranty fades, the TLX is a pick for those in the know. It is a car you can buy with confidence, knowing the real luxury is peace of mind. Number 1. The ultimate legend, Lexus LS. Now, you might be thinking, isn't the LS just another plush Japanese sedan? But hear me out. The LS is not just luxurious. It's the gold standard for reliability in this segment, and the proof isn't just anecdotal. Here is where things get legendary. J.D. Power rates Lexus at 140 problems per 100 vehicles, the lowest of any luxury brand, and that is only part of the story. The LS made headlines when Matt Farah's 1996 LS 400 rolled over the 1 million mile mark with its original engine still sealed. Over the course of that odyssey, just $17,000 was spent on repairs, including a single transmission rebuild after nearly 1 million miles. That is a cost most people rack up on a German flagship before year 6. Owners regularly see 200,000, 300,000, even 500,000 miles on the original powertrain, with the only requirement being routine maintenance. According to RepairPal, the annual repair bill for an LS 460 sits at $767, far less than its European rivals, who often flirt with double that figure. It is not just about saving money, it is about confidence. The LS offers a stately ride, hushed cabin, and V8 smoothness that feel just as solid a decade on as the day you take the keys. Resale values stay strong, and even high-mileage examples hold their dignity, thanks to the model's reputation for bulletproof engineering. This is the car that quietly rewrote the rulebook on what luxury can mean: understated, overbuilt, and unflappable long after the warranty is a distant memory. For anyone who believes true luxury is freedom from worry, the LS is a sedan you can buy for life. It is the ultimate in luxury reliability, and a legend that earns its crown the honest way, one trouble-free mile at a time. From the Lexus LS's million-mile reliability, backed by J.D. Power's 140 problems per 100 benchmark, to the Tesla Model S's $3,972 10-year maintenance cost, verified by CarEdge, the evidence is clear. True luxury endures long after the original warranty expires. Consumer Reports data showed the Acura TLX and Genesis G80 consistently outperforming segment averages in ownership satisfaction and annual repair costs. Yet, some questions remain. Tesla's long-term battery life and the evolving cost of advanced tech repairs still lack decades of independent data. Still, owner testimonials and reliability studies converge on a single theme. The best luxury sedans blend comfort and performance with lasting dependability and lower than expected upkeep. Today's buyers face more choices and transparency than ever, with verified statistics dispelling old myths about post-warranty pain. Ultimately, the real luxury is peace of mind, enjoying refined motoring without the headaches often associated with prestige badges. That's the promise these top 10 sedans deliver, as proven by the numbers and the road.